Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of budget air fryers to help you decide which one is best for your kitchen. We'll be comparing 3 top contenders under $100: the Bella Manual Air Fryer, the Chefman Compact Air Fryer, and the Ultrean Air Fryer. Each of these models has unique strengths, but there are also some drawbacks to consider. So which air fryer will come out on top? Let's find out. Starting with the Bella Manual Air Fryer. The Bella Manual Air Fryer is a solid budget option that many buyers love for its simplicity and affordability. It's perfect if you're looking for an easy-to-use appliance that doesn't break the bank. With a 2.5 quart capacity, it's designed for small households or individuals who want to prepare quick meals without using much oil. The air fryer's compact size makes it an excellent fit for small kitchens, and the basket is dishwasher-safe, which simplifies cleanup after cooking. However, the Bella Air Fryer isn't without limitations. While its small size is great for saving space, it's less ideal for cooking larger quantities of food. You might find it challenging to prepare meals for more than 2 people at a time. Additionally, the lack of digital controls means you'll have to rely on manual dials for time and temperature settings, which may feel less precise compared to modern air fryers with preset functions. So, while it's a great basic model, those looking for more advanced features might want to consider other options. Moving on to the Chefman Compact Air Fryer. Next, we have the Chefman Compact Air Fryer, which stands out for its incredibly small footprint and ease of use. It's an ideal choice for those living in small apartments, dorms, or even RVs, where counter space is at a premium. This model uses only 1,000 watts of power, making it one of the most energy-efficient options available, and it heats up quickly, ensuring your meals are cooked in a fraction of the time it might take using other kitchen appliances. On the downside, its compact size means it has a 2-quart capacity, which is smaller than the Bella's 2.5 quarts. So while it's great for single-person households or couples, it may not be practical if you're looking to cook larger portions. Another drawback is the absence of digital presets. Like the Bella, the Chefman requires you to manually set the time and temperature, which might be less convenient for those who want more automated cooking options. Still, its simplicity and size make it a solid choice if you're short on space and looking for a quick, no-fuss cooking experience. Now let's talk about the Ultrean Air Fryer. Finally, we have the Ultrean Air Fryer, which is the largest and most feature-rich of the 3 models we're reviewing today. With a 4.2 quart capacity, it's perfect for families or those who want to cook larger portions. This air fryer comes with a digital display and multiple preset functions, making it incredibly user-friendly for people who want more control over their cooking. The digital screen allows for precise temperature and time settings, which can result in more consistent cooking results. However, its larger size does mean it takes up more counter space, which could be an issue for those with smaller kitchens. Additionally, at almost 10 pounds, the Ultrean is considerably heavier than both the Bella and Chefman models, making it less portable. While it's an excellent option for those who need a bit more capacity and versatility, the Ultrean may be overkill for those who just want a basic air fryer for small meals. The way to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and leave a comment below letting us know which air fryer you're considering for your kitchen.